Meaning of delouse.
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 Delouse. The term delouse refers to the act of removing lice from the body or clothing. There are several methods for delousing, such as using special shampoos, combs, and heat treatments. The result of successful delousing is the elimination of these parasites, which can cause discomfort and disease. Lice infestations are common in areas with poor hygiene or crowded living conditions, such as schools and military barracks. Effective delousing is essential for preventing the spread of lice and protecting public health.